Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to download a second WhatsApp or a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp in your device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video and learn about it.